Hello, today we're paving a parking lot. We're going over some crushed concrete base. Here comes the truck, it's going to make another dump. We're installing about 1.5 inches of hot mix asphalt. Well, we actually put it down about 1 3/4 inches, 2 inches. It'll compact to 1.5 inches. There's the roller. What's called a 3 to 5 ton roller. It's approximately 3 tons, but you put the vibrator on, it'll go down, it'll magnify the weight to around 5 tons. See the water coming out on the wheels, that keeps the asphalt from sticking. That steam coming up, that's just the water from the wheels hitting the hot asphalt. We got one more pass and we'll be finished with this parking lot. It's going to work out just right. The paver is actually pushing the truck. He's pushing the wheels. This parking lot's really opened up. It makes it a lot easier to pave than if you're working around a bunch of light poles and things like that. I'm going to need one more truckload. I'm just going to wait and see what it looks like before we order that next truck. See how much we're going to need. Down on that edge, you'll see how thick we're running it. That's probably somewhere around 2, some places 2.5 inches.